Okay, so this video will be a tutorial on how to do the foundation single crochet chain. I use this at the beginning of some of my patterns rather than a regular chain because it allows for stretch. So especially with mesh type fabrics, it allows for the actual stitch pattern itself to shine without the initial chain holding it taut. So the way that we're going to start, you're going to make a slip knot, place your yarn on your hook, however you'd like. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do chain 2. So you should have 2 chains here. Now you're going to insert your hook into the first chain, so two chains away from your hook here. And I like to insert through the back loop of the chain, so I'm going to do that here. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So you should have 2 loops on your hook now. Now we're going to chain 1 using just this loop on the front of your hook. Yarn over, chain 1, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook, like so. Now I would say this is probably where the most confusing part is, so pay attention here. The place that you're going to insert your hook to create your foundation chain is going to be in that chain 1. Now it creates a V, but you have to turn it to see it. So if you can see right here, so it kind of looks like a little loop, that's where you're going to insert your hook. So you need to get through both those top loops there. So I'm going to, usually I turn it to see it. You see how there's 2 here now? That's where you're going to place your hook to create this. Now I'm going to same step, yarn over, pull up through. We're going to create another chain 1 here, and then we're going to yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. And you're just going to continue to do that until you have the right amount of foundation single crochet chains for whatever pattern that you're creating. So I'll do a couple more here for you to watch. We're going to insert through this V of that chain we created. Yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through both loops. And then we just keep doing that. I'll do one more here. Okay, perfect. Now you can see this foundation single crochet chain. You can see the chain that it creates, which is your base. If I were to flip this to start my stitches, I would just flip to here, and then you can actually see the loops on the top, and that's where you would place the rest of your stitches to continue your work. But that's just a visual on how to do the foundation single crochet chain